If you love paper crafting but wish you had a kind, no pressure place to grow your skills, this might be exactly what you're looking for. The Crafty Otters Club is my YouTube membership. It's full of exclusive tutorials, easy tips, behind the scenes, some sneak peeks and real-time encouragement. It's not about doing more, it's about feeling inspired, supported, and maybe gently nudged when your craft mojo disappears. Every week you'll get something new, whether it's a tutorial, a question and answer, a member requested project, or a cosy behind the scenes chat. And there's ongoing member bonuses. There's a loyalty badge in the comments, members only posts, chats and lives, priority replies from me, and club only quarterly treats. And even help if you're stuck mid-project. It's just $5.99 a month. You can cancel it any time at all. There's no obligation to stick around. Just click the join button on my channel or visit the link in the description. And I just wanted to add that for me, crafting should feel personal. It should feel stress-free. It should be encouraging. And most of all, it should be fun. You should feel the joy of it. And my club is all that. And you're invited. I hope to see you inside.